Okay, guys, so this is Rosie's favorite chair. Right, Rosie? Is this your favorite chair? We're gonna check out how much hair is actually on this chair. So, let's take one blanket off and another blanket off. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of the hair and debris that is on this chair. This chair is old and it came from my mother-in-law's house, and Rosie has just been in love with it ever since we put it in here. So yeah, she's done a little damage to it, but today we're gonna fix some of the damage, at least the hair damage. I have something super awesome in this box. Are you guys ready to see what it is? You guys, it's the Dancemoon Layer Brush. This is so cool. This is what the package looks like. This is the front, and it is by Dancemoon. And the back has all of your social media that you can connect with Dancemoon on. And the product name is the Pet Hair Remover, and the model is HR02U. This is designed by Dancemoon. This is really cool. Let's see. Dancemoon Layer Brush, it says on the side. And if we look on the other side, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so sweet. It says, bring your beloved pets closer. I love that. Like, bring them closer because you don't have to be worried about pet hair everywhere because this gets it off. That is so cool. Oh, I love this. I love it already. Okay, I am so ready to unbox this. Are you guys ready to unbox it? Let's go. So it's pretty easy to unbox. There's just a little flap here that you're going to pull out and then open it up. Ooh, let's see. So, ooh, so it just comes out right like that. This is really cool, you guys. Just like the texture of it is so neat. I have used other pet brushes before, but this one is just like really cool. I'm really excited to use this, you guys. Like, really excited. There's the top, nice and smooth. The handle, the way that it feels, it doesn't feel like very plasticky. It actually feels really nice. It's very smooth. And this part kind of feels a little bit almost like rubbery-ish. But it's actually very comfortable to hold. Like, when I hold it in my hand, it's very comfortable to hold. I really like that. And you guys can just see inside the box. This is what we have. Download the Transparency app. So you can get the Transparency app on Google Play. Customer service at dancemoon.com if you have any questions. And then www.dancemoon.com to check out their website. Pet Hair Remover User Manual. So this is going to be all of your usage instructions. So what it says is, it says we are going to grip the handle and gently press downward. Keep the brush head parallel to the surface. You can rotate it 180 degrees, keeping the brush head parallel to the surface to remove pet hair and debris. Use the side of the brush head to scrape fabric crevices, removing hidden pet hair and debris from the corners. Dancemoon Pet Hair Remover is designed to effectively clean pet hair and debris from carpets, sofas, furniture, car interiors, bed sheets, and other firm, flat fabrics. Avoid using it on loose fabrics, non-fabric surfaces, or uneven surfaces. Delicate fabrics. You can use it gently on soft fabrics, especially knitted or hooked materials. Some materials may be prone to damage, so you're going to want to test a small area before you use it. Brush head care to protect the rubber blades on the brush head from wear. Do not use it on rough surfaces such as concrete floors. Durability tips to ensure longevity. Avoid excessive bending of the brush joint. After cleaning the pet hair remover with water or a soft, damp cloth, store it in a dry place. Do not squeeze it when storing. Do not use this pet hair remover directly on your pets. Okay, guys. Here's the fun part. We're going to take the Dancemoon brush and we are going to get rid of some of this pet hair, hopefully all of it. So let's take our first swipe. We even have like like threads on here. So let's go ahead and take our first swipe and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing that?
It just...
Wow.
It's literally just like sweeping it's almost like a vacuum, but it just like...
Look at all that hair. And there's barely anything on the actual brush itself. It just all...
Oh, look at it just, it's just like taking look at all that hair. Like I didn't even, look at how...
Just look at how much hair that small amount of brushing got off. This is gross. Don't get me, like, this is seriously, it's gross because knowing how much that Rosie has shed on this, but like, honestly, look at how much hair this is pulled off in just that little amount of time. You guys, this is an awesome tool so far. So let's keep working with it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and tackle some of this hair. So let's do this section right here.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that.
Look at the hair right there. Like it's like literally like it's like a vacuum, but it's like sweeping it.
Look at this. So we can literally just push down on this and you can see I can use it this way. I can use it this way. And then we'll just do that. And I just want to show you,
Ew.
look at how much hair came off from just that little amount of me using it. And you know what? It doesn't hurt. Like it wasn't forceful like with my hand. Like I didn't feel like I was like, It was a very smooth and steady and very easy motion to do. And it just came off. And this is so cool. Like I really, really like this brush. So now we're going to try to get a crevice, you guys. Let's try to, this is like a really hard spot. So let's try to, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at how easy that was for me to take the hair out of this tufted button. Like, okay, so if I were to like scrub that out with my, like, look, trying to get out with my fingers, much more difficult. The sides of this are phenomenal. I was so easily able to get that button out, the hair out of that button. That was great. Look at this pile of hair we just have here. I am just amazed by this awesome brush. It's even sweeping away pieces of litter. Like, this is really awesome. Okay, look at all of the hair that is coming out. It's pulling litter out of this. Look at this. This is just amazing. I love this product. Okay, so let's work really, really hard and let's get the whole chair done. And yeah, we're going to speed up and we're going to do the whole chair. Hang on. Rosie gives this brush 5 out of 5 stars.